being the last speaker, I think everybody has already said the best things. So I have very little things to express, but definitely coming here today is making all of us think for 10 minutes. Normally we talk about ability. All the time we are sitting giving lectures, and here today for the last 1 hour we are looking at World Disability Day. That is what I was telling Babu Garu, that it is not disability but special needs for children who need extra care. And what you're doing is just priceless and worthless, because we hardly have words to say that, because handling 300 children for 16 years is a great passion for what you're doing. We congratulate you. We congratulate the team, the teachers, and the children who are making effort to become equal to the other children. We in the government, we deal with different situations. We do have homes where we have blind children. We have mentally challenged children. We have adults also, disabled adults. We have disabled girls. So recently this year, we have done something very motivating for the disabled couples. We have a court decision which says that they can stay in our hostels till 60 years. So the tendency of the disabled youth or the girls is that if we go out of this place, how do we live? So recently we have performed 2 marriages by the district administration, where it is a challenge where 2 disabled youth, the girl and the boy, both of them don't have legs, but they have chosen to be the partners. And one person has chosen to take a boy as a normal lady, has chosen to take a boy as a partner. So why we came forward with this idea of getting them married is that tomorrow when they have a child, they will ensure that the child is a normal child, and they will look at a future like that. There will not be a dependency. I know it is very early to talk about marriage and career at this stage when I am meeting children, but definitely I would like to take an opportunity next time, that I would like to show you how the youth are going to make a difference when they are going to get married and start living a normal life. They will be able to handle all the circumstances with all the energy levels and all the support given by Akshara Foundation, Ashraya Foundation. And thank you once again for inviting me here.